And we have some breaking news coming in. Pakistan's foreign ministry has just now tweeted on the tweet from the Pakistani embassy in Serbia. Remember, it reads that the Twitter, Facebook and Instagram accounts of the embassy of Pakistan in Serbia have been hacked. And this is what the Pakistani embassy is now claiming. The foreign ministry is now claiming messages are now being posted on these accounts are not from the embassy of Pakistan in Serbia. That's the first statement coming in from the foreign ministry of Pakistan. And Gursimran, it seems like Pakistan is now in a damage control mode after facing an embarrassment for Pakistan, where the country's embassy in Serbia had called out Imran Khan for not paying the salaries of Pakistani diplomats.
See, indeed, now the Pakistani Ministry of Foreign Affairs is in damage control mode, and they are trying to to stop the damage that has been done. The international embarrassment Pakistan has faced, that the diplomats of the Pakistan working in Belgrade, they haven't been paid for 3 months, and their children have been thrown out of the school because of non-payment of school fees. And this is the reality of Nea Pakistan of Imran Khan. But now the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Pakistan has come to this damage control. They are in a face-saver mode, and they have said that all the accounts, be it Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, have been hacked. But the reality remains that now they are trying to suppress the voices that are rising, the thing which Pakistan is better known for. We have seen how those raising voices in Pakistan have always been suppressed using the Pakistani army or the establishment, and now this is one more such example which now they are trying to hide, and they are trying to put the reality under the carpet by terming it that the pages have been hacked. But the reality is that the diplomat of the Pakistan's mission in Belgrade, Serbia, have written that they haven't been paid the salary for 3 years, and the situation is that their children have been thrown out of the schools because of the non-payment of the school fee. So this is the reality of the Pakistan. We have seen n number of times Imran Khan coming out saying that we don't have money to spend for the welfare of the people. And even yesterday we saw how the governor of Punjab, Chaudhry, he also in London, he said that the International Monetary Fund has taken each and everything on return from us, just in return of $6 billion. So this is the situation of the Pakistan, that they are at back foot on the economic front as well as on the diplomatic front. We have seen how their diplomats, they are now taking the official channels, that is Pakistan in Serbia's Belgrade, to show their resentment against the Imran Khan government.
And Gursimran, it is one thing if the Pakistani embassy in Serbia had themselves tweeted out stating that their accounts were hacked, but certainly it seems like the Pakistani foreign ministry is now certainly in a damage control mode, because they have to, in a way, save their face. Through that latest tweet coming in, they have stated that the Twitter and Facebook and Instagram accounts of the embassy of Pakistan in Serbia have been hacked. But coming back to the Pakistani embassy in Serbia, that has now tweeted out as to how the inflation is certainly breaking all records in Pakistan, how they have not been able to even pay the fees for the schools of their children.
See, indeed, and now the Pakistani government is trying to put things under the carpet, but it's not that they will be able to succeed in that, because we have seen time and again how Pakistan has tried to hush up the things, hush up the reality, the hard realities for the Imran Khan, and he don't want these things to come out in open. But now, since it has come out in open, and that too via official channel of Ministry of Foreign Affairs, that is Pakistan in Serbia, so this definitely raises questions on the working style of the Pakistan's government and the Imran Khan, that how things are actually working on ground, that the people, not only the common man of the Pakistan, but also the diplomats, the government employees, they are also at the suffering end. They don't know, even they are not getting the salaries to pay the school fee of their children. So this is the reality of the Pakistan. Yes.